How to run Facebook ads for painting business. So this is an easy and quick tutorial, but before anything else, Facebook ads are a powerful way to reach homeowners, business owners, or property managers looking for painting services. So you can just basically promote your page or your service by starting a new campaign here. To start, you need to create a page right here. So I'm going to add Paintscape creations. I'm going to add here like keywords, and also I'm going to add description or bio of my page. And then after that, proceed. Don't worry, you can change the name of your bio later. Okay, so you can review, recheck, and then after that, you can now proceed. Here, what you're going to do is you have to add your website if you have, and you need to add your phone number below, email, and also location you need to add here. And after that, once you have added your location, city, zip code, let's just say town address, add email address, and so on. Now, if you scroll down below, you will see here hours, let's just say no hours available, or let's just say always open. You can also add here like specific hour of what time your website or your business is open. You can set here, you can change everything here, depends on your schedule. And then after that, you can now proceed, okay, and then tap on next right here. Okay, after that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, you have to review everything here. So please to review because you cannot proceed if you have mistake right here. For example, the phone number, location, and so on. It's about time to add profile picture and banner to your page. So you can use Canva for that. I strongly suggest to create a logo and also banner using Canva. But this one is just for tutorial, for the sake of the tutorial. Now you can add button right here. You have your options, but you need to add a link for this options above. Below, as you can see, send message. We can use this one for the meantime. Tap on next and then confirm your page. So once done, you can now tap on next. Wait for a couple of seconds. You can start adding or inviting people to your page. Okay, stay tuned and informed. You can toggle this one on or off. Everything is up to you. And then you can now use your Facebook page. So once you have your Facebook page, you have to go to Meta Business Suite. Click the first link here, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now here, you have to scroll down and then look for Ads Manager, tap this one. Now you will have your options here. What you're going to do is you have to look or tap on campaign, wait for a couple of seconds again. Then here you can now start creating your new campaign. All you have to do here is tap on the new button, the green one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to focus on the settings here. So unlike a Google Ads, also this ads here on your Facebook ads has its options and features. For example, if you tap on or if you select awareness, it shows your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Okay, you can also choose traffic right here. You will see information below engagement, which is I'm going to use later. Okay, leads for forms, app promotion, and sales. So all you have to do is to select one. For this tutorial, I'm going to pick engagement. So for example, we're going to create an ad right here for painting business, and we're going to choose this engagement so that more people can reach your site or your product or your business. Okay, so tap on engagement right here. Read again the following information. After that, you can now tap on continue right here. So as you can see, there's also good for now recommended settings or manual engagement settings or campaign. You have to click the first one as it is recommended. Now you can add your campaign name. Okay, you can change this one if you want. Just go to settings. Then you will have your option campaign budget or ads budget. So if you tap on campaign budget, you will have two options for campaign budget right here. That is a daily and lifetime. But of course, it depends on the amount that you're going to add on the right side. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap on daily budget, I have to spend this amount right here in order for me to promote or to create campaign right here. You will see the information like you will spend this average and so on. You can also campaign bid strategy right here. You can toggle on budget scheduling, but it takes money of course to purchase that and to pay. You can schedule budget increases if you want to. Just set on starts on, and you can also remove this period if you want and add another period. So basically that's it. You can do A/B testing if you want, special ad categories. So after that, you can now proceed by tapping next. So before you tap on next, you can review everything here. So basically you need to double check, and then once you're okay with that, once done, what you're going to do is tap on the next button right here. Tap on the next button, and then on the next page, if you have added another time period, then you should see this one right here. It will pop up. Just select whatever you wish. Now you can proceed with categories, and then you can also select here the country. For example, if you want to change your country or your location right here, you can just go and then select, tap on the arrow facing down, and then select the country that you wish. So after adding the country here, what you're going to do now is you have to tap on the next button. Now you can start the budget schedule right here. So basically you can add a schedule for your campaign. You can create a new audience, or if you have saved audience right here, you just have to click this one. After that, you can also add exclusions here. So for example, you want to exclude this to a specific group of people, or let's just say country, you can just go to this part. Okay, so once done, you will see the preview on the right side. So feel free to change anything here if you want to edit something, if you want to add, if you have your own template, and then you can add it right here. If you want to add pictures and videos, everything is up to you. So basically, you can see the result on the right side once done, and all you have to do is to proceed and publish and start your campaign. Make sure that you have enough money to purchase or pay. Okay, and then basically that's it. That's how easy it is to run Facebook ads for painting businesses. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.